And ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you our royal couple for tonight, Ricardo Cardozo and Dr. Nikita Miranda.
Actually, he's expecting babies. He wants his babies soon. He really wants his babies soon. And plus, I also want an amazing life with him. I want to be always there for him through all the good times and bad times, and through every part. I want to grow old with him. I want to be there with him and just spend every single moment together and be the power couple that we always are. Yeah, dude, wait for me. I'm waiting to see you. I'm waiting. I want to see how you look. I want to see you look at me and cry. If you cry, I hope you cry. Little bit. Thoda one tear also is fine, but at least.
Five, four, three, two, one. Congratulations!
She's good and perfect in everything. Yes, we'll miss her. How much I can't say. There are no words. All say, why you're worried? She's just down in the clinic. But there's a lot of different.
I know we will miss our daughter. In fact, I don't know, I'll not cry, I said. But I'm so emotional. I have no words for her. She's so perfect in her own way. We love her so much. We have brought her up in a very nice way. Taught her all the way things to be done, everything possible from our side. But she's such a wonderful child. Our home is so lit up with her. It looks like that noise will be away. But we'll miss her, nothing to worry about. But since she's close by, but nobody will be she will not be there to fight with me.
Me and my daughter, she's not like daughter, she's my friend first. And then she's my daughter. Yeah, she fights with me, but she knows Mama never gets angry. Dad gets little upset. But not me. I understand her totally.
I don't know what else to tell you because you know everything. You are just perfect in your own way. We love you, Lord.
Oh yeah, he's always been a very sweet and loving child. Of course, when he was small, he was a little naughty. But as he grew, he always was there for us. Always listening to us, obeying us, and doing what we want. Of course, from years of experience, the only thing that I can tell you, Ricardo, is be very patient. Be caring. I know he's a very caring boy. He will always care for his wife. And of course, understanding. Do not get angry. Control your temper. Even if you get angry for small things, make up before you go to bed. Nikita, my darling, you are the most precious daughter, I could say. Second daughter of mine after Steffi. So I know that you will take care of my child, Ricardo. Good luck to you, my baby. I will always pray for you all.
Ricardo. I met Ricardo, I think so, 5 years back. When I met him, he was like this cool dude who we used to go partying and all with. Then after this, all of a sudden from last year, he's not even roaming out with us. He's saying, no bro, I'm too tired. Ricardo, why are you so tired? Then he's telling us that, no. No. That we knew he's getting married. Hey, proposal aje sangta. हाँ proposal aje sangta हमारे best story हमारे थे. So last year on this day only Nikita proposed Ricardo. So on that day we had to do something. All of us had to do something to get Ricardo to that place. So we told Ricardo that we are going to go partying. Because of that partying thing, he came and it was a surprise. From that day till today, he gives me bad words because we didn't tell him what was it. Ricardo? True or no?